Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if Windows Update fails to install or will not download updates properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this can definitely be an annoying and frustrating issue. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the run button. And then hopefully it'll resolve the problem and then just follow along with any of the on-screen prompts. Something else I recommend doing as well would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match, come back with command prompt. You want to right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Copy the first one. It's a system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, hit enter, give this some time to run and just please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and paste it into the command prompt as well, and then hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Now if you attempt to check for updates, you should hopefully be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.